So guys, this is the two materials I'll be needing for the class, one yard each. So I got two, I got three pieces of paper. I labeled this A, B, C. As we go on, I'll tell you the measurement that I used. So on the part labeled A, on this piece of paper labeled A, this is what we are going to do with it. We are going to get the head circumference of your client. You understand? I attached a picture above on how to get your head circumference. When you get the head circumference like this, you divide by 4. You understand? And when you divide by 4, you now fold your paper into 4 like this. Then using your tape rule, you measure out, so you measure out the circumference that you got and divided by 4. You understand? So you measure it out on the paper like this. Then you place your tape like this. Then on that mark that you measure that, you now draw a circle. You understand? You just mark it like so. Please make sure that the tape at the pointed part do not shift. So don't shift that tape. Just do it like so and measure it to get a perfect circle. So when you are done with this, you now use your scissors and cut it out. You understand? You cut it out. So guys, this is our circle. Next, you divide the circumference by 2 and measure it out like so. Then the width is 3 inches. When you measure, you fold it like this. Remember, circumference divided by 2. So watch how I will fold it. I'll fold it like so. So when I'm done with the folding, I'll now use my scissors and do the slash and spread method. So guys, you cut it like this. Please don't cut it off entirely. Just cut it off. Just cut it this way so that at least you can open it, but it won't come off. You understand? So I'll get another piece of paper. Get another piece of paper, then you place it using your masking tape to secure it. Then at in between each space, you measure out 0.5 or half inch and use your masking tape to secure it. I'll also do the same to the second space. I'll measure out 0.5 or half an inch, still the same thing. Then you just repeat it with the same spaces. So just cut it out. All right, once you are done with this, the next thing is to move to the part C. So this is the B part, our new B part. So let's move to the part C. You understand? Remember the part C. So for the part C, you have to measure out this our new measurement. That's what you will use to cut out the part C. You understand? That circle that we formed when we were adding 0.5, you now measure it out and use it to get this part B. Then fold part B like this. Watch how I did the folding. Okay, once you are done with it, you open it up and then slash it open just like the part B. So guys, after opening it up, you place it on another plain paper and measure out 0.2, 0.75, sorry, in between the spaces. You understand? Just like we did on the other, on the part B, we were using 0.5, but here you use 0.75. So once you are done with that, then you cut it out like this. Remove the paper. That's our new part B. So next is to cut out on our material, on our fabric. So I have two fabrics, the inner one and the outer one. You understand? The inner one and outer one. So I added 0.5 round. It's the fabric was unfold. You understand? I also added on the part C side. So please guys also use a gum stay on it. You understand? Iron it with a gum stay so that it will stiffen the material. So guys, get the A part and fold it like this. Get the center. Once you get the center, you mark it. Then you get the B part. If you get the B part, you place it like this and start sewing, but you have to leave like half inch. Yes, like this. Then you sew it round. You understand? Yeah, please also repeat the same with the lining. You understand? So it's just the same thing you did on the material. You also repeat it on the lining. Understand? So and this is the part you will join, not that side that you were adding 0.5 for. On the opposite side, yes, this side, that's the side you will join first. So you leave 0.5, then you add it, you sorry, you will now sew it round. Yeah. So guys, I am done with the first part. So I'm done with A and B. So it is time to sew in the C part, just like I did with that of B. You understand? If you get it, you sew it round also. Please, when sewing, don't sew that part of the material that you added 0.75. No, sew the opposite part. You understand? When you sew it round, then this is what it would look like. I am done with the sewing. I did both the inner lining and the main fabric. Guys, remember this is a reversible pocket hat. You understand? So once I'm done sewing, you can wear the back, you can also wear the front. So when you are done, you have to stitch it up like this. You understand? You stitch it up and also stitch up the main fabric. So I am done with this. So this is what it looks like. I will now place it like this, right side facing each other, so that I can sew it up. So when you place it like this, please arrange it and sew it like this, leaving about 1 inch that you use to turn it out after sewing. So I am done with the sewing. Let me turn it out so that you will see what it will look like, what it looks like. So guys, I am done with it. So you can use your hemming gum to hold it together, or you use your needle and thread. You can also use your sewing machine, anyhow you want to do it. Iron properly. You understand? When you after arranging, you iron properly. Understand? So that, so guys, this is the end of our class. So this is the front part, this is the other part. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, okay?